Well, we're at our first harvest host for the trip. It is Gnarled Oak Farm. They raise Oreo cows here. I can't remember what the name of the actual cow is, but it's the Oreo, the black and whites. Really beautiful place here. They said the cows were on another piece of property. It's about 90 acres that they lease. That's where the cows are, but said there are a few of them here, so we may see them after a while. They usually come around in the evenings. They also raise meat here to sell. You can buy the meat from them. They'll ship it to you. I asked her, do they ship meat? And they said, yeah, they ship it pretty much anywhere in the U.S. And the prices were really reasonable, I think, with it being farm raised. It's a little more than what you get in the store, but probably a little better quality meat too. Now, I think we're gonna get a brisket while we're here, and they just harvested chickens yesterday, so I'm sure we'll get a chicken or two and put them in the smoker when we get to Missouri. They're over here. They're over here. Yeah. I don't know what they're trying to tell me. Maybe I stink. I don't know what they're trying to tell me.
Yes, I understand. Yep, they were right here on the grass.
Yeah, they come running across the road.
Aw. Hey there, babies.
I think Mama's getting a mud bath.
Yeah. This one hisses at you because she's got eggs. Hey, babies.
I'm trying to decide if that's a marking on that pig or if it's just because it's wet everywhere
I
except
think
for the
it's
top.
mud.
Looks like he's got a mohawk.
Well, that one's markings. See it? Hey there, babies. Hey. Hey there, babies. There's all the little babies. I was going to try to catch them. See, that's markings on that one, too. See?
Yeah.
Hey there.
Pigs, chickens,
Hey there,
more
sweetheart.
little ones.
That's her mama. That's her mama.
You say that one? You say that one's on nest for eggs?
Yeah, it hissed at me.
Yeah.
I feel good.
Oh, it's hissing at me. Oh, you hissing at me?
Yeah, back up.
Oh, I'm not trying to mess with you. I'm just looking at the
That's
pig.
the male right there. Chasing that
Oh yeah.
chicken. Well, you just moved her out of the way. You just moved her right on out of the way. Look at him eating that stump.
He'll eat anything.
Look at the ducks out there. And the chickens. Man, the babies.
What are you videoing there?
I just took a picture of that for Mama. You know, Mama and them's wanting to see them.
Oh yeah. Well, I just banged the camera. I bet that sounded good. What you doing over there, mister?
That one killed me.
Yeah, I'm not messing with him. I guess it's probably their neighbor's place. Backs up too. Got us another Harvest Host guest here with us tonight. Got her early enough in the afternoon just to enjoy walking around. This place is awesome. If you're a Harvest Host member, you should consider coming out here and staying. People are super nice. A peaceful life here. All right, I'm not sure who's fatter, me or this guy. And he's snoring, or she's snoring. That's right. Lay there in the sun and the mud. It actually looks pretty good. I might just get down there and join you. Man, what a great place. The sun's bright right now, though.
Listen to all those sounds. All the chickens are in the roost over there. There's the mama feeding all of her babies. Hey there, babies. Hey there. Hey there, babies. I see you. Hey, sweet peas. Hey there, sweetie. Hey. Hey, sweetie. I hear you. I hear you, baby. We're not gonna bother you. You raising some babies? Are y'all raising some babies? Yeah.